The letter H has half-turn symmetry. If it is rotated about its center through 180 degrees, it appears unchanged. Which one of these letters, A, E, S, and U, has half-turn symmetry? First, let's demonstrate what we mean by half-turn symmetry in the first place. Here is the letter H. Once we rotate this 180 degrees along any axis, it will again remain the same. It will look exactly like it did before. This is because it maintains an axis of symmetry along its, well, horizontal axis. Which one of these letters would look exactly the same? So let's try it first. Let's try A. If we get A and we rotate it 180 degrees, it will look like this. And that's not the same, so that's not our answer. Let's do E. E, once it's rotated 180 degrees, will look like this. And that is not our answer either. That doesn't work. Trying S now, if we rotate this 180 degrees, the shape will remain much the same. And hence, this can be shown to be our answer here. To be complete, let's try U as well, but we know that it would appear upside down, and is not a correct answer. So our answer in this case should be S or option C.